Hi everyone, I'm Ava, your fellow learner. Welcome back to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Hello, I'm Hana. Today we learn a soft check-in ending.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. I'm 준호. Let's climb one more rung together.
Okay, real question. Koreans keep saying 좋죠 and 맞죠 at the end. Is that a real question or just checking?
좋은 질문이에요. It often is not a pure unknown question. It checks something you both already feel is true.
오늘의 핵심은 어미 지요와 조예요. Today's core is the ending 지요 and the ending 조.
이 어미는 함께 아는 걸 확인해요. In English, it means right or isn't it? A gentle check, not a hard quiz.
그리고 조는 지요의 준말이에요. And 조 is just a short everyday form of 지요. Same meaning, faster speech.
먼저 날씨로 들어볼게요. First, weather, a classic place for 죠.
오늘 날씨 좋죠? You already feel the nice weather, so you seek a soft yes. Nice today, right? One more soft check. 맞죠? It means that's right. That's right은, isn't it? Very common when you want agreement.
So, 좋죠 is not, I have no idea if it's nice. It's more like, we both can see it, right?
맞아요. Exactly. The ending softens the statement and invites the other person in.
동사, 형용사 뒤에 바로 붙어요. It attaches right after the stem. 맛있다 becomes 맛있죠?
들으세요. 이 커피 맛있죠? Listen. This coffee is delicious, right? You already think it is delicious.
이다일 때는 이조를 써요. 자음으로 끝나면 학생이죠. 모음으로 끝나면 커피죠. 같이 with 이다 use 이조 after a consonant final noun and just 조 after a vowel final noun.
Got it. So,
학생이죠 after,
학생, but 커피죠,
after.
커피.
The appears only when the noun ends in a consonant.
사람을 가리킬 때도 쓸 수 있어요. This is 이다 플러스죠? 친구죠? He's a friend, right? 이번엔 짧은 대화로 들어볼게요. Now a short dialogue. Listen for every Joe that seeks agreement. 여기 분위기 좋죠?
네, 진짜 좋죠.
이 케이크도 맛있죠?
맞아요. 달콤하죠.
I hear it. 좋죠, 맛있죠, 달콤하죠. Each one expects a soft yes, not new information.
여기 분위기 좋죠?
네, 진짜 좋죠. 그거예요. That is the natural job of Joe in everyday polite talk. Check, soften, invite agreement.
이제 따라해 볼게요. Repeat after me, nice and warm. 오늘 날씨 좋죠?
오늘 날씨 좋죠.
좋아요. 너 Joe landed softly. One more. 맞죠?
맞죠?
완벽해요. You have the soft check feeling now.
이제 흔한 실수예요. Now the common English speaker trap. Using Joe when you truly do not know the answer.
Oh no. So if I walk up to a store and really don't know the closing time,
몇 시에 닫죠?
is weird?
이미 9시에 닫는다고 생각하면 9시에 닫죠? 가 자연스러워요. If you already think it closes at 9, 9시에 닫죠? Feels natural.
이미 알고 있다고 생각할 때만 Joe를 쓰세요. Use Joe only when you think the answer is already shared.
알고 있으면 저, 진짜 모르면 아요, 어요, 나요로 물어요. If you already know, use 저. If you truly don't know, ask with the ending 아요 or 어요 or 나요.
So, 몇 시에 닫아요?
Is safer when I'm lost and 9.
시에 닫죠?
Is for confirming what I already believe.
자, 퀴즈예요. Quiz time. You truly do not know when the cafe closes. Which sounds more natural?
A and C feel like I already know something. I think B because I really don't know.
정답은 B예요. The answer is B. When you have no shared answer yet, the ending 아요 or 어요 opens the question cleanly.
A는 이미 아는 티가 나요. A sounds like you already have a time in mind. C is even shorter and more assumptive.
핵심을 정리해요. Let's lock the core. First, 지효와 조는 함께 아는 걸 부드럽게 확인해요. They seek gentle agreement.
둘째, 조는 지효의 준말이에요. Second, Jo is just the short-spoken form of 지효. Same job, quicker sound.
셋째, 이미 알고 있다고 생각할 때만 조를 쓰세요. Third, use 조 only when you think the knowledge is already shared.
넷째, 진짜 모르면 아요, 어요, 나요로 물어보세요. Fourth, if you truly do not know, ask with 아요 or 어요 or with 나요 instead.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. Remember this one sentence today. 오늘 날씨 좋죠?
다음 시간에는 진짜 모를 때 부드럽게 묻는 나요를 배워요. Next time, we climb to 나요 for soft questions when you really don't know.
Okay.
Soft check with you when I already feel sure, and a real question when I don't. Thanks, Hannah. Thanks, Juno.
수고했어요. Great work today. 다음에 또 만나요.
안녕히 계세요. Take care and keep that soft jaw ready.